Hey everyone, and welcome to Agent Real Tech. Today we're going to take a quick look into the focus mode and how you can use that on your next listing appointment. So focus mode is a great opportunity for real estate agents when you're going out on a listing or a buyer's appointment and you want to make sure that you're focused in with your client. You know, in the world of real estate, you're constantly getting phone calls, text messages, everything like that. So focus mode's a great opportunity for you to just turn that on, be at your listing appointment, talking with your client, able to show them stuff on your phone or on your computer and not worry about all of the constant dings and dings and dings. So what we're going to do is take a quick look into the settings of focus mode, how to create your own custom focus mode, and then we'll wrap it up with that. Swiping down from the top right of your screen, you'll see this option right here that says focus. When you tap on that, you've got the option to select whichever focus mode that you want to use so that you won't be disturbed while you're out on your appointment. So we are going to first go into your settings. If you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see this option that says focus, and we'll tap on there. You've got a couple options that are already preset, so this is just really a quick access panel to see what you've got or an opportunity for you to create something new. So what we're going to do for now is just create a brand new one. You'll tap on that plus button on the top right, and then you've got your options. There's a couple that will pre-populate if you want to set up one for gaming or reading or specifically for work. With this option, we're going to create a custom one. So you'll name this one, let's call this one Listing Appointment. You can give it a fancy color. You can also give it a specific icon. We'll use the briefcase for this one. So your first screen you're going to get to is allowed people for notifications. So what this will do is if one of these specific contacts tries to reach out to you, it will allow a notification from them. Whether they call you or text you, those people will get through. Anybody else, a unknown number or anything like that, would not come through. So for this example, I'm going to go to this second option down here and allow calls from my favorites. I've got a couple people saved in my favorites, so if they reach out to me, that call will come through. Anybody else on this list, or if I click add person, you can go in and add additional people there. So for now, we'll just allow, we're going to remove these 8 people. We're just going to allow calls from favorites. That shows down here. So we'll tap allow. And the next option is going to be for your apps and the notifications for your apps. So with this, again, similar to the calls that can come through, you've got different apps that you can allow to disturb your focus if you would like to. So for this, again, we're going to be on a listing appointment. There's not really an app that I need to hear from, so I'm going to remove all apps, and I'm only going to turn on time sensitive. So time sensitive is typically going to be something like a calendar notification. The phone's going to realize, hey, you've got an upcoming appointment. I'm going to go ahead and notify you and override this system so that you don't miss your next appointment. So we're going to only allow time sensitive, and just that simply, this is basically set up for you. So whenever you swipe down and go into your focus modes, now you'll have one called Listing Appointment. You just tap that and it's going to turn on essentially a version of Do Not Disturb based on which settings that you set. We've got a couple other options that we can dive into a little bit further. If you want to take it to a custom home screen, you've got that option so that only one home screen will show when you turn this on. You've also got the option to adjust your lock screen, whether it will show your notifications on your lock screen. If you're kind of like me, if my phone is face up near me, I might tap my phone and see if I got a notification that I might have missed. So you've got this option to turn on show on lock screen, and it will show you the notifications, or if you have that turned off, it just won't show you any notifications. You can also set this, the last option down here is to schedule for a specific time or location. This can be used great if you have a steady schedule of when you're going on your listing appointments. If you always schedule them for 2 p.m. on Tuesdays, you can just have it turn on every Tuesday at 2 p.m. for an hour, and then you don't have to worry about going in and remembering to turn that on. But again, it's simply just swiping down from the top right corner and turning it on for yourself there. One other thing to note with focus mode, if you are using an iPhone, an iPad, a Mac, if you're using multiple Apple devices, you have got this option here on the focus mode settings screen to share across your devices. So once you turn on focus mode on your phone, if you are doing your presentation on the computer on your Mac for your client, it will also turn on the focus mode on your computer. So then you don't have to worry about all the emails and text message notifications that will come in and potentially disrupt your listing appointment. So that's a great addition if you're using multiple Apple devices. That about wraps it up today for the quick video on focus mode on your phone. Hopefully you can try this out, get it set up, take it on a listing appointment, and not be distracted while you're trying to connect with your clients. If you guys have any specific topics that you want me to cover, definitely feel free to reach out to me. Our contact information is down below, so I can get a video put together for you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and thanks for tuning in to Agent Real Tech. We'll catch you on the next one.